Alright, so what's up guys, TT Gaming here, back with another video, and as you can see, I have a no, not a Fates Glide, a 3-pack blister, and it comes with a coin, Giratina promo, a breakpoint pack, a breakthrough pack, breakpoint pack, and Fates Collide pack, and yeah, fidget spinner. Alright, so let's just crack this open, and I'll give away all the codes. So I'm just gonna take out the packs first, and we can do oldest to newest, I guess, for the packs. Alright, hold on. Alright, so this is the code that it comes with. There you go. So that. Wait, I need to get the promo out. And here's the Giratina promo. Really dwarfed. Really bad. Alright, so oldest to newest, starting with Breakpoint and ending with Fates Collide and Breakpoint in the middle. So let's do Breakthrough right now. Hold on. Flip this over. Just throw that. Oh my gosh. Alright. The code. Breakpoint does not have the text or the code card or whatever. So we have Go-Goat, a Mewtwo Spirit Link. Well, it would be awesome if we pulled a Mewtwo EX. Fracture, Fennekin, Doduo, Chespin, Inkay, Pikachu, a Swoobat, Reverse Hollow, and a Chatot regular rare. So that was not a good pack at all. So yeah, now Breakpoint. Right. So we have a Reverse Valley, Gabite. This is a rare. No, I don't know why I thought it was a rare. A Delinquent, Spritzy, Drowsy, Shelder, Trubbish, Ducklet, Shiftry. Oh, this is a Shiftry, Reverse Hollow Rare, and a Gyarados EX! Oh my gosh! I don't have this card! This was an amazing pack. Gyarados EX and Shiftry, Reverse Hollow Rare. Oh my gosh. So let's just put that there with that. That's amazing, guys. We still have one more pack, so that's just, oh my gosh. Woo, amazing. Right, so hold on. Alright. Fates Collide pack. Code card. we have a Wheezing, a Fairy Drop, a Alakazam Spirit Link, not Mewtwo, Meowth, Fennekin, Gafida, Spoink, a Solosis, a Whismur Reverse Hollow, and a Zygarde, regular rare. So this was a pretty good pretty good what's it called? 3-pack blister. Oh, and what the heck? Oh, I'm very dumb, guys. I forgot something. I forgot to show you guys the Mega Groudon coin. So, a recap are this Gyarados EX, Gyarados EX, and Shiftry Reverse Hollow Rare, and Groudon coin, and Giratina Hollow. So yeah, hope you liked the video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and bye.